Like slaying on a budget, basically look expensive without spending too much coin, then babes, this video is for you. Watch this video to the end because I'm gonna be popping up a discount code that you can use to get even further dollars off of your orders. And if you like Boujee on budget videos, girl, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Leave me a comment of what you're going to feel about this product that I'm going to show you. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hey guys, it's Sarafina. So if you like Boujee on budget hauls, then you're in the right place. I'm not gonna waste your time, girl. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. This video is in collaboration with Doroncollections. So they sent me this bag to review for you guys. But one thing for sure is that I'm going to be 100% honest. What is bad about the bag, what I don't like about the bag, and the quality, I'm gonna be as transparent as I can be because I don't want to recommend something that is not good for you guys. Anyway, put all the information. They have loads of things on their website, so if you want you can check it out. I'll leave the information in the description. So the bag that I chose is the Palm Spring mini backpack, and this is how the bag came. It didn't arrive in a box, so it was just like in a normal box, not LV box. So yeah, it has a dust bag on top, and this is the bag. I actually haven't removed like stuff, so because I want you guys to see. So this is the bag. Let me remove all these plastic things so we can see well. It has plastic, I don't know if you can see, it has some plastic things. Guys, I've removed the plastic wrap on all the hardware. It was protected with a plastic wrap so you don't scratch it. But guys, look at the monogram. Look at how detailed this bag is. This honestly looks so good. I haven't checked inside, so but like right here it's just well made. So it has like 2 LVs. I'll pop up like the original picture of the bag so you can see, but I checked the original bag already and I know that the monogram is like spot on. So you can see on the sides also, like when I tell you guys, this bag is literally so well made. I'm gonna show you a bag that I picked up from AliExpress and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. So also I checked on the original bag, this the way this LV is put, that's exactly how it is, and it's literally was spot on. So I know the original one has like the puffy handle, and this handle is like a bit puffy, as you can see. It really steady. Now I've watched several videos where people say about this bag, most of the dupes that people get, they are not, see in here it's like puffed. Yeah, so most of the bags are not really puffed, but I feel like this is puffed. Well, let me bring close. I hope you can see, if you can see the puff. The stitching is like in, so it gives like, you know, some space in it. You can see the puffing well, and the puffing goes all the way down. Now there's this scarf handle, so it says Louis Vuitton here, and also it has LV on the zippers. I don't know if you can see, it says LV on the zipper. I hope you can see that well. The zipper opening is nice, it opens really well. Now the other thing, because I watched several videos, I'm telling you, I came well prepared. People were complaining about the stitching. Now when I look at the stitching of this bag, honestly it looks good to me. Let me bring it close so you guys can see the stitching. The stitching is well made. It's literally well stitched. Even you see behind, stitching is really spot on. So these D-rings are really like, they really move well. As you can see, they're not like so stiff that they are stuck in one place. So yeah, overall, like on the outside, honestly, if you have unless someone really like come close to your bag and try to figure out if it's like dupe or whatever, but because also some people who were reviewing, most of them, they have like a dark monogram, and like the original bag has a bit of like I wouldn't say like golden, but it's not like the prints on a bit lighter, so I don't know if the camera is bringing it well, but the monogram is supposed to be a little bit lighter, but that's how it is. I'll put pictures for you guys that I made. Honestly, like seeing it from afar, I don't think someone can think like you're holding honestly a fake bag. But let's check what's inside. Oh, the zipper, by the way, the zipper opens so well. I don't need to put in like much effort. So inside the bag, this is how it looks like. I have the strap in there and basically your cards and stuff. I'm not gonna go through this. So let me first put the strap aside. So this is how the bag looks like inside. Basically it's just like black in, and it says Louis Vuitton here. The stitching inside, I really hope you guys can see inside, but look at the stitching on the cloth material inside. It's literally so sewn very well. It shows very well. I hope you guys can tell, but literally it shows very well. And this thing, like to open the bag, is not so hard. You know, on some bags it's like literally so stiff that you cannot see, and I mean you cannot flap it well. It's hard, but this, I feel like this is like, you know, soft. And then inside here you have your code. I hope you guys can see there's a code here, this code. So the only difference about this code is that it's also sewn on a leather like material sort of a thing, but the only difference on this thing bag with the original bag, I know it's stamped on using gold color. This is just like, you know, the normal color, like black or whatever it is. Who is going to check inside of your bag? In all honesty, basically that's what's inside. There's nothing much to say, but this zipper closes so well. Even if it's under the lip of the bag, if you can see, it's like inside, and still open it with ease. See, it's in the lip, but still it opens and closes very well. Now let's put on the straps. So this is how the strap is. It has plastic wraps all over to protect the hardware. And let me remove this and then we proceed from there. These are the straps. So let's see the hardware. The hardware looks good. It's not very bright. This is how it is. So I like watched the review of the original bag, and they say this the hardware on the original bag literally wiggles very well. Now this might not be as flexible as the original bag, but look at the way it's wiggling. Look at the way it is. The movement is literally not so stiff. As you can see, it's moving well, so I love that. They also have LV on, hope you can see, and it also says Louis Vuitton here behind. Hope that is seen. So the stitching is on point, you guys. It's, look at that. I really do hope though you can see, but the stitching is so good. Let's put the straps on the bag. So this is how the bag is. I've put on all the straps, and I think I have to, like, you know, straighten up the straps since they were like, you know, folded. They look a little bit not cute, but other than that, I literally love the bag, you guys. I'm gonna show you what fits in this bag, but in all honesty, if to say something that I don't like about this bag, I don't even know what. This is for me the only thing that can be seen, and for someone to see this, if you look at the stitching here, as I showed you before, here on these dots that I'm like touching on the edges, that's where you can see a little bit, as though, you know, when you burn a thread, yeah, that's how it is. But other than that, the overall stitching, I think, of this bag is so good, you guys. You can try to compare this bag, try to look at the pictures. This is so well made. Let me show you the bag that I bought from AliExpress. This is the bag that I ordered for on AliExpress. So this is the bag that I received. I ordered for the Palm Spring, and this is what they sent me. Literally has nothing, has no LV anywhere, even in behind. It's not puffy. As you can see, the gold on this one is just like a yellow or something. If you can, like, you know, compare the gold, you can see that this is so much better. Basically nothing says like LV and stuff like that. The handle, let's compare. See how this handle is made. Look at how this handle is made. This is what I'm talking about. So I really do think this is a good purchase. So I hope you guys also love this bag and you can try it out for yourself, because honestly I feel like I'm going to use this a lot. This is a very casual bag when you're just quick and out of the door, and you can wear it in so many ways, which I'm not going to show in this video. I don't want it to be extremely low. Like literally I don't have like anything bad to say about this bag. Honestly, I just love it and I can't wait to use it. This is so cute. I mean, are you kidding me? Look at that, you guys. Gorgeous. So I'm gonna show you guys what fits in this bag. Basically my like stuff that I use on a daily basis if I'm just gonna run out of the door. So let's see what fits in this bag. First, I have my wallet, I have hand sanitizer, I have hand lotion, I have a perfume refill, I've got some wipes, my phone, of course, I have some powder, and I still have some space and I'm still putting stuff. I have chewing gum, of course. I have my lip, what is this? I mean, to soften the lips. I have my AirPods. I always have like a small perfume bottle. Is it a bottle even? And I always have a red lipstick in my bag because I'm usually always wearing red lipstick. And I like basically my glasses, and this is it's almost like just half, so I still have this whole space. This is if you have like a scarf, if you have, you know, stuff you can still add on. It still has a space there where you can put your stuff, so it carries actually a lot of things. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Shipping takes about like 3 weeks. It depends on where you are, but it was trackable, so I was like, you know, tracking the product. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check the description because all the links are going to be there. You can WhatsApp them and they'll give you all their details. And yeah, for me, I honestly 100% love this bag. I don't have anything bad to say about this bag, so try it out for yourself on the website. They basically have lots of stuff. They have like bags, shoes, accessories, everything that you may need. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.